The European Union's Air Safety Agency has banned the model of a Boeing aircraft that was involved in 2 deadly crashes, including one on Sunday that killed nearly 160 people.
So the noes have it.
British lawmakers rejected Prime Minister Theresa May's deal to withdraw from the European Union for a second time. Syrian Democratic Forces moved in on Islamic State's remaining fighters as the village of Baghouz came under a second day of attacks. And the United States says it is removing all remaining workers from its embassy in Venezuela.